In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a static website from Lovable AI. Let's dive right in and guide you through the straightforward process. First, we'll start by heading over to the Lovable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. This is the starting point for accessing all your project files and settings on Lovable. Once you're on the site, it's time to log into your account if you're not already signed in. After logging in, find your project. You'll see a list of your projects on the main dashboard. Take a moment to locate the specific project you wish to download as a static website. Keep in mind that the interface might have a lot of information at first glance, so identifying your project quickly is essential. With your project open, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll usually find the Publish button. Clicking this will reveal a panel with various options for your project. What you're looking for in this panel is the option labeled Export Project or Download Files. This function will provide you with a downloadable version of your website's code. Next, you need to choose the Static Website Export option. Selecting this option means you'll be downloading all your website's code as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. These file types are the core building blocks of static websites, meaning they don't require a server or database to function. This is ideal if you're looking to host your website on different platforms or use it for other web projects later on. Once you have your static website downloaded, you can upload it to almost any hosting provider. Popular options you might consider include Hostinger, Vercel, and Cloudways. These platforms offer robust tools for hosting your static site with minimal setup hassle. Whether you're looking for scalability, ease of use, or performance optimization, each platform offers unique advantages to fit your specific hosting needs. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded your static website from Lovable AI. This versatile format allows you to maintain and utilize your website code wherever you choose, ensuring you have full control and flexibility over your projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy coding!